Yeah, but Bella have nose but big eyes. Sorry, my friend. Ideal to.
Ideal ko.
Look at yourself. All your
What's up mga lapigon ha? Today's vlog, ang gagawin namin is magcha-challenge kami ng Speak English Challenge only with my colleague. Nandun sila sa loob. Kasi bawal na siya ng maingay pagalitan. Ito yung si Michelle. Hi! Sana ma-enjoy kayo. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong video ko na i-upload. Thank you. Okay, start na natin.
Hey, what are you? What are you?
Visit ka, Mary Lou!
Ha? English na. What are you eating? I said. I'm asking you.
si Jet.
Bishi.
Speak English, boy.
No!
Wala akong kutsara, Bishi.
I'm using.
Sus, ate, mo ako. Ano ba kayo?
No!
Speak English, English. English.
Oh.
Can I borrow the spoon, please?
Oh, that's
50 oy. That's great. You return
Thank
it,
you so
ha?
much. You are very beautiful.
Joy. Where are you? Come here na.
Adi siya ka English, ginawa.
You know, we're putting you in this one.
Dili ka, kinukaon ko.
In
I will
TikTok.
eat. Okay, English na.
Yes, we can do for you. Mary Lou, we don't have nose?
It's the motherfucking beat.
Speak English.
My ulam is this one.
Challenge.
Joy, introduce yourself.
Isang, try mo itong matawag isang, oh. Isang, sila mo ang tawagin ako. Dili
Mom
mo
is talking to him. She's talking to him. English, English.
Where's your tawgi?
inside my bag.
Can I try? Give me.
English, how? No, English, please. English, please.
Kabagi mo din.
1 dirham, sang.
Ano man na murag pansit canton?
Wala.
Oh.
Ano ba? Have pansit canton inside. Boy, are you done? Ha?
Not yet.
Wow.
Yarap na ko dyan. Joy!
This is the most handsome guy here in Pretty Polly.
No, not handsome, little bit.
Little bit ugly. Nung usa ka na
Are you feeling hot?
Yeah, very hot. Very hot.
Okay, kaya ako na-edit. I will edit that one. I will...
So this is Jen.
What's that all about?
Speak English, okay? Introduce yourself, please. This is the most beautiful woman here in Pretty Polly.
By the way,
What?
Only by the way.
Mary Lou, Why we don't have nose?
I have nose but cute, like, not like you did, like a tomato.
Also, no, we don't have nose.
Look at me inside view, G to G.
Me, I have long nose.
Speak English, please.
Yeah, but when you have nose but big eyes. Sorry, my friend. I think that
All your face is carbon.
Okay.
Real Quezon,
English, please.
real Quezon, real talk.
She's speaking English.
Speak English.
Why you're sweating, Joy?
No. Mini my voice, please.
No. Speak English, please. The video is dead.
The video is not enough.
Joy, what did you see in Linda's house?
Too much grasshopper and too much ladybug. I'm going to House Linda and Jet to sanitation.
What are you going to use with the
Jet.
ladybug and the grasshopper?
Yeah, I'm going Joy and Jet to House Linda because sanitation too much ladybug. And grasshopper.
What are you going to use? What kind of chemical you're going to
English,
use?
please.
Joy, I'm asking you what kind of chemical you're going to use with the ladybug and the grasshopper. Huh?
Hima ba?
Which? Speak English.
Yes.
What are you going to use? Chemical for that?
Sanitation.
What
Acid.
sanitation? Acid.
Acido. I use
To whom you will use that one?
the hard chemical. Yes, ma'am.
Joy, kasabahan mo yun, Joy.
No need, ma'am. Linda na lang only.
Hinira ka, Joy.
Speak English, please.
Yes, challenge sa please. English. Baliw. Serious, please. Not.
Okay, I'm not going to laugh, okay?
Okay, ask him.
Joy, I'm going to ask you something.
What something else?
How is your
You have
life?
asked? No, ask, no. You.
You have no? Yes.
Yes.
Mariposa.
Oh my God, the most beautiful
Why you
girl in
Why you
Pretty
late?
Polly. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Kasiraan na? Bayad?
Speak English. Baliktad na ngayon ang manager.
Kathleen Joy have nose? No.
No.
Just look me inside view.
Got
You see G
flat
to G.
nose.
No, not flat nose. Hi.
Hi. This is
Hi vlog, welcome to my life.
Kathleen, fix your
Hi
hair.
crush, welcome to my life pala.
Hey Crash, welcome to my life.
Hi, Crush. Welcome to my life. Hi, Mads. Welcome to my
Speaking.
home.
Oh my God. Come here.
I don't like. I'm not feeling well. I have a hangover.
Ikaw na lang. Oh, you. Can you please hold this one?
Okay.
What are you eating, Marissa?
The 3 angels, what you're eating? Hi,
Sorry,
Miss. What's your name?
we are eating the shrimps and tinula.
Can you get me a water?
What's some water, please?
Water.
No. How are you?
No Alpini today.
Alpini no here. Alpini taking picture, no?
What?
Alpini is taking picture.
Oh, no.
Alpini.
Wow, it's yummy.
You want banana?
No, I eat banana last night. Oh, grain joke. She's laughing.
You're laughing, she, no?
Yeah, she laughing.
You go to mom. Eating the bones. Bones of the bangus.
uy! Sige, yung ano yung iniisip pa rin niya, yung ano niya, yung PT. Side only. Ito yung ano niya, yung
Jitunji.
La finish! La finish! Every time is here. Over there, in the kitchen.
Sabi, what are you going to do then? Hi everyone.
Can you take your gaunan, please?
Oh, thank you for watching this one.
Ayun si balik mo.
Ano mo lang sa?
Speak English.
Shine.
Are you not done yet? Oh my God.
Mahina.
This lady is kumain.
Kumain.
English.
Ay, slow motion. Ano ba? Speak in English. I know how to, eat lang. Bat.
Ito na.
English pa mo.
God, my stomach coming out.
English
We have chocolate. Who's
because
eating chocolate?
I'm nalipong ganina.
So,
I'm feel dizzy.
this one I will eat. So.
Haba na, 10 minutes na.
5 minutes na.
Yung isa kanina pa.
Huh? Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Too much ladybug.
Ladybug and
Very busy.
instead of cockroach, we said grasshopper.
At doon na nga natatapos yung video namin. Sana na-enjoy kayo guys. Diba sobrang club trip yung mga kasamahan namin. Mga loka-loka, English pa mo. Pero hindi naman maintindihan. Maniman. Thank you for watching guys. Sa susunod na video na naman kita tayo. Subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong video ko i-upload. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, bye. Love you all.